from outside.
Sorry.
Tired of having a smelly fridge? Then Camco's new Fridge Airator Deluxe is the solution for you. It keeps your food fresher by cooling your fridge evenly. It absorbs odors with its replaceable activated charcoal back. It also has an on and off switch that saves battery life. But if you forget to turn it off, the 2D batteries that power it will last over 30 days. Oh, and hear that? No? That's because it's quiet. The Camco Fridge Airator Deluxe is perfect for any small size refrigerator.
Think I could keep that?
Here you go. But in the meantime, maybe try buying food that isn't expired.
Okay.
Camco.
.net.